Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can import beats to BandLab. This is going to be a quick and easy tutorial. Now first thing you need to do guys, you want to log into your BandLab account, and then in the top right here you will be able to see here create button in the top right. Now before you do that, if you already have the audio on your PC, make sure it's MP3, okay, in order for this to work. So here in the top right you just need to click here on create, and then you can also like create or generate an idea with AI. It's a new thing they have added to BandLab. Or you can create here, you can just add here the audio or bits. You just need to click here on new project, and after guys you click on a new project, it will take you guys to this page. Now what you guys need to do is you want to click here, it says here import audio, as you can see. Now after guys you click on import audio, then just need to find the audio here and then import it here. Okay, if it doesn't work guys, make sure like I said it's MP3. For example, if it's MP4, okay, you need to convert it using many websites, and this is free. Just click here on Google, search for something like convert MP4 to MP3, and then you just need to upload the audio, and then you will convert it for you, and then you can add it here. Now, as you can see, you can also add multiple audios here. Just click here again, and then you will be able to add another one here, and then you can start making changes and editing your audio. Like if you have guys any questions, you don't understand anything, just let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Okay, so drop a like and see you guys in the next tutorial.